welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how to make a vegetarian zucchini tomato casserole with no oven and no cheese. So here we have the ingredients. I have here 1 zucchini sliced into thin slices, 1 tomato sliced, pepper and coriander leaves, and here I have the ingredients for the white sauce: 1 cup of milk, half cup of maida, 2 sticks of butter, 1 teaspoon salt, Italian herbs for seasoning, and garlic. And I have here a small round tin which we are going to use for baking. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is take an iron pan and add salt to it, and we are going to preheat this for around 10 minutes. Now if you are and on high flame, okay, so keep it on high flame for 10 minutes. And if you are going to be using a convection microwave, then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes, and then you can start preparing the casserole. So now I'm preheating it. So we'll start preparing our sauce. First add 2 sticks of butter and let the butter melt. Now to this add maida little by little and keep stirring. Now we are going to add milk little by little and keep stirring until there are no lumps. Keep stirring. To this you can add your oregano Italian seasonings. You can add garlic. I have taken unsalted butter. Salted butter, so I am not adding extra salt to this. And little bit of coriander, and make it until there are no lumps. Our white sauce is now ready, so turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now that we have prepared the white sauce, so now we are going to grease our tin. Now you can use melted butter or ghee. If you are using oil, try to use an oil which has not a strong smell or taste. Otherwise your casserole will be tasting more of oil because it forms the base. Grease it well. Now we have greased it. Now we are going to start plating. So first we are going to add 1 layer of zucchini. Sprinkle some pepper, little bit of pepper, little bit of salt. Now add the tomatoes on top. Again some pepper, salt, little bit of coriander on top, and again layer it. Oh wait, before we layer this, we are going to add some white sauce on top of this. I totally forgot. Let us add white sauce. Now this acts as our cheese. Now if you want cheese, then you can use mozzarella cheese, but we're not adding any cheese to this. zucchini. Again repeat the same layer. Pepper, salt, layer it with tomato, and add some white sauce over it. We have added the final layer of zucchini. Now I am going to add little bit of coriander, pepper, salt, and we are going to pour our white sauce all over it. Sprinkle some coriander on top, and now it's done. Now place the tin onto the salt and lower the flame and cover this with a lid. Let it keep it on low flame for around 20 minutes, and then we'll check it if it has cooked. And now if you want it like really soft, then you can cook around 7 to 10 minutes extra. So I'm going to check after 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now, and you can see towards the sides there are like a little golden. It has turned like brown in color, so it should turn brown over the top as well. So we'll see for other 5 to 6 minutes. It's been around 30 minutes now. You can see it has formed brownish. It's like towards the side. It is cooked now. And don't worry if it has if it is watery while baking, because it will tend to be watery because of the tomato and zucchini. So I have turned off the flame. Now I'm going to keep this aside. Let it cool for some time. Our zucchini tomato casserole is now ready. Do try this out. It's very tasty and yummy, and it is only veggies. And now if you don't want to add white sauce, you don't have to add it. You can just bake directly along with the tomatoes. But instead of adding tomatoes raw, you just need to make a puree and pour it all over the zucchini and bake it. And if you're baking using a microwave, bake it for 180 degrees Celsius first for 10 minutes, preheat it, and then bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos. Bye bye.